Don't make it very hard, Zoe.
I don't even have to look.
She's making it very hard for you, Zach.
Yeah, she's just a hater. She can't solve one.
Look at her. That's enough, Zoe. She's enjoying every second of it. Timer, what's the timer? It's more than 1 minute now.
Oh, I didn't even time her. I was just waiting for
Oh, that's enough, Zoe.
I'll watch some TikTok.
Done.
Alright.
Gotta watch the TikTok for 1 second.
Wait, no, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. If you started and I'm not, okay, well, but too bad because I'm not. It's not gonna.
Zoe.
If Zoe starts it one more time, she's like, woman. I'm ready. 3, 2. I wasn't even ready, kid.
You said I'm ready.
Yeah, but then I gave you a countdown to start it on, kid. What are you doing, bruh?
Is the scramble hard?
Not really.
Excuse me, Zach just said a swear word.
I said shut your ass. Yeah, that's what you did. Shut your Hey, bro, stop distracting me, bro.
Don't bother him.
Yeah, don't bother me, bro. I don't even care about the
Zoe.
distraction. I'm just so good. I'm gonna punch you after this. Yeah, you don't want this smoke.
The smoke that comes out of your butt.
Kid, shut up.
Oh, look at that.
One.
That's my best.